In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make 5 ways to make $100 daily. Yes, so at least $100 daily. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Yes, so if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. God bless you. Yes, so and if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourselves in the comments. Of course, my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and I drop 3 to 4 videos every week. Yes, so check out and make sure that you watch out for these videos right here on my channel. Turn on your notification bells in case you have, and subscribe to my channel. Of course, join the family. Don't you like this girl that you're seeing? Yes, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video with your friends. So without further ado, let's just go right into today's topic. Who doesn't want to make money this year? Hey, I don't know about you, but me, I'm here to make money. Like I always say on this channel, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. And the moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. In today's video, it's $100. How to make $100, minimum of $100 daily. Of course, you can make a lot more money. Yeah, so come with me, guys. Let's go. So today I'll be sharing websites where you can make $100 daily. The first one I'll be introducing you guys to the first business is to start a voice-over business. Yeah, so do you have a nice voice? Do you know that you can do voice-over? I'm sure you've probably seen YouTube videos or Netflix shows where a narrator is actually describing the scene or an event, but you never see that person. Now, this person is called a voice-over actor. Yes, and the business is booming. Do you want to get in on the action? There are actually several ways to dip your toe into the entertainment industry, So consider the sites I'm going to be sharing right now. You know, I told you I'm going to be spilling all the tea in today's video on this channel. You know how we do it. So the first website is Backstage.com. Yes, so it is the largest listing of entertainment jobs in the country. So whether you need actors, whether you want to work as an actor, a singer, a dancer, or what have you, or a voiceover artist, yes, head over to that website and thank me later. The next website is kidscasting.com. Yes, do you have a cute kid? Head over to kidscasting.com because they list jobs daily for jobs around the country requiring kids. You can also try this website, Mandy.com. Yes, so guys, Mandy.com lists voiceover work, film and TV crew jobs, musicians, and so much more. Yes, and then the next side hustle I'll be introducing you guys to is to become a travel planner. Yes, so do you know that anyone can actually work as a travel planner from any part of the world? Yeah, you can do this work from home. So while anyone can actually check an aggregator site for the best price, to fly to anywhere in the world, planning a more elaborate trip can be too much work for some travelers. So this is where you come in as a travel planner. You can use your skills to find the best trip, which includes flights, accommodation, rental car, and tours, depending on the budget of your client. Now, while this work has been typically done by travel agents, newer travel concierge services are popping up, and you can start it. Yes, they're popping up all over the place. So with that in mind, you can get started in this business with a simple website and some basic marketing tools. Yes, so another business I'm gonna introduce you to is to start a daycare business in your home. Yes, so per child, I'm telling you. So yes, you can actually start a daycare service in your home, and this is especially a good idea for stay-at-home parents who actually need to bring in some more money. So you're already staying at home with your kids, so why not invite a few other friends to the party? Yes, so you might need licensing for in-home daycare, and it varies from state to state, but you may want to make sure that you comply with your local regulations. Another business you can start from home is to start a catering business. Yes, and just in case you have not heard, I've mentioned it on my channel before that I did this job. I did the catering. I catered for clients when I was in grad school, when I was studying for my master's degree in business administration at California State University, Domingo Hills. I actually took up this catering job. And I made a plate of food for $100, and guess how many clients I was able to cater for? Just guess. Put your guess in the comments. Yes, so you can make money from catering. So you see, it's beyond $100. Yeah, so you can make a whole lot more. But just so you know, I made it over $1,000. Yeah, yeah, making food for people. Yes. So yes, if you love to actually cook on a grand scale, why not start a catering business? Yes, from your home. You can sell 2 liters, soup bowl. You can sell 5 liters, 10 liters. Yeah. And start to make money. You don't have to make food, make food per plate. You can make per tray. And encourage, when people see these pictures or videos of food looking yummy, people like food a lot. When they see it constantly on your status, whether WhatsApp status, on your Facebook page, trust me, they will start ordering. People like food, they will start to order. Yes, so consider these amazing ways to actually make money and thank me later. So yeah, like I said, you can start this catering business out of your home. So how much you actually make depends on the scale of assignments that you take and your ability to actually correctly decide how much your ingredients, the materials will cost. And this is also where, this is an industry where you can start small and work your way up to bigger gigs. Yes, for profit. Another business that you can start is mystery shopping. Hey, see, guys, in case you don't know what a mystery shopper does, a mystery shopper actually goes into companies or businesses and disguises as a customer. But no, the business actually paid the person to come in as a client, but the person is not a client. The person is a mystery shopper. They want to find out about the perception. So they want to find out what clients on the outside, customers, perceive that business to be, whether they are doing well as a business, whether their staff are actually performing well, or whether the business is something that's how do I put it now, whether they are looking good in the face of their customers. Yes, so that is the job of a mystery shopper. And as a matter of fact, I've come in contact with a mystery shopper before when I worked in the bank, and thankfully don't worry, our branch did not fail. We passed very well. Now, as a mystery shopper, for many people, the idea of getting paid to shop is a dream come true. Yes, so they give you money to come and shop. So there are so many mystery shopping websites. Oh, please note that there are many mystery shopping scams to beware of. However, never accept a gig that requires an upfront fee. Yes, so it's not a good sign that it's legit. Don't do that. They are supposed to pay you after you do the job. Yeah. So according to the website Scam Busters, legitimate mystery shopping can earn up to $100 per job, minimum of $100 per job, which means you can earn a lot more as a mystery shopper. Yes, so I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually work from the comfort of your home and earn from $100 and above every single day. You can start these side hustles, and I hope that these videos, these ideas have actually sparked up some creative juices in you. I've also sparked up some creative ideas in you about as to what you can do depending on your own proficiency. So what is something that you are passionate about? What are the things that you have, what are the inherent skills that you possess? Maybe those ones can help tailor towards what you can offer as a service. Yes, and I hope this video has been a blessing to you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Mariah has always got you covered. And of course, I will see you in my next video. In case no one has told you to, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're gorgeous, and I'm super duper proud of you. Oh, one more thing. Now, note that this channel, in case you're new here and you're not aware, this channel is all about how to make money. Yes, how to make money and make money real big. I've shared ways to make money for free. Yes, lazy ways to make money, weird ways to make money, but of course legit ways to make money. Yes, and of course I shared in a video, one of my videos, I shared websites where rich people actually give out money for free. If that is something you're interested in as much as I do not encourage begging, here we are here to make money. But of course I understand some people are in need, truly in need of money. Maybe they are in financial, like they have a rough path right now. They're facing a kind of like rough patch right now, so maybe they need funds for their medical expenses, or they need funds to start a business, or they need funds for to clear up their students' debts and their student loans. So yes, check out the video, and if you need me to leave it in the comments, if you need me to leave the link to that video in the comments, please by all means leave it in the comments as well, and I will definitely tag you in the video. So yes, I hope this video has blessed you. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Mariah has always got you covered. Oh yeah, share this video with your loved ones, with your village members, your church members, and your parapor members, as well as your Krishna members and your enemies. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves, and bye for now. Bye for now. I love you. Mwah.